In this video, we're going to show you how to fix FPS stuttering while gaming on Windows 11. All right, there are a few things you can do, and the very first thing you can do to remedy this is just to go and try to update your system. So click on the start button here and just type in Windows Update and click on the very first option that you see. And here, if there's no available updates, just click on check for updates like this and just wait for any updates that's going to pop up, right? Let's just wait for that. And as you can see here, an update has appeared and already been finished, but sometimes if it's a system update, it's going to take a bit longer and there's going to be more files that you need to update and install on your PC, which is going to be automatic. And if it's a big update, your system will need a restart, but as you can see here, we don't need that. And after that, if it still doesn't work, click on the start button, home again, and click on device, type device manager, and it's going to open here. So what you want to do is click on display adapters, right? So click on this, a drop down will appear. As you can see, I don't have a video card right now because it's busted. I need a new one, but since my chip has integrated graphics, I still have this Radeon graphics. So it's the same thing. So right click on this and click on update driver. It's gonna ask you how do you want to search for drivers. So automatically is the default version. Let's see what we, as you can see here, it's up to date. And after that, if you have an NVIDIA, right, just click on NVIDIA control panel, GeForce Experience. Just click on that, and it's gonna open. Let's wait for it to open. So as you can see here, we can continue because, like what I said, we don't have a GPU, but you can check for an update for your video game graphics drivers if you have a video card, and that should, that should remedy everything. And then just restart your PC, and it should be all good. But yeah, those are the ways that you can do this, and that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. We'll see you on the next one.